We are recording. So you have your Unit 1 summative building study skills document open. You'll already see that what I've done for you is I've created headings. So the first step that I use on a study skills document is I create headings for the different activities in the unit. The next piece that I would like to start to do is I want to make sure that under my headings, I have gathered information that's important to those specific lessons. So I'm going to go to Unit 1, Activity 1, Rule of Law. For all of you in the class, I'd like you to now go to Unit 1, Activity 1, Rule of Law, and I would like you to open the In Brief Rule of Law PDF. If you don't want it to open and read and write immediately and kick you off of Classroom, if you right-click on the document and click on Open Link in a new tab, you'll have the document open without it taking you away from classwork. So please post a thumbs up if you can now see your Rule of Law in Brief document and you have that open. Excellent. The next step is to copy the link by clicking on what's called the Omni box in the top left-hand corner of your browser. Some people call it the browser bar. Triple click on the link to select the entire link and hold down Control and the letter C to copy. I am now going to go back. To my study skills document, and I am going to add a link or create a link. And the way that I create a link is I am going to click on the image of the chain in what's called the formatting toolbar. If you don't have the picture of the chain and you don't have the formatting toolbar, there is an arrow to the left-hand side that says hide the menus. Yours might be pointing down, which means you need to click on it to open the formatting menu. But now I'm going to click the chain. I'm going to add the link by pressing Control and the letter V. And I know that this handout is called In Brief Rule of Law. When I click Apply, it gives me the link to the handout. So please put a thumbs up on the Google Meet chat bar after you've completed putting a link on your study document. Excellent. For anyone who did not see how to create a link on the study document, I will post this video on the Classroom stream. For a short review, to create a link on your Google document, you simply click on the chain in the formatting menu. And on that, you would paste the link. You would create the text. And then you click apply. All right, I'm going to end the recording now, folks. And what you are going to do after this is you are going to go through all of your content underneath each of those units, and you are going to summarize your learning. You're going to create links. You can also put underneath those links concepts and terms from the course that you remember. So you could say the principles of rule of law. You could put the 3 principles of rule of law. So we're looking for terms, we're looking for concepts, we're looking for content from chat rooms, we're looking for content from you could even list the different questions from the different Jamboard pages. And even a link to your Jamboard itself. Does anyone have any questions before we move on?